Auto color correction in DaVinci Resolve 16 is quite a powerful tool. And in this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can color correct your clip in Resolve 16 with just 1 or 2 clicks if you really need to get decent results as quickly as possible and you don't have time to work with each individual node. And I'll also show you the easiest way that I personally use to get this quote-unquote cinematic look very quickly. Okay, so for auto color correction, go to the color page and click this A icon in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. Resolve will analyze your image and will auto-balance it for you. The result that you get is not always that great, but if you need to work quickly, this will do. Make a few adjustments and you're good to go. Reset all nodes and grades. The second way to do auto color correction in Resolve is to click on this crosshair next to your lift or gain in primaries bars or primaries wheels. In your shadows in lift, you need to pick a point in the image that's supposed to be pure black or really close to it. Whereas in highlights in gain, you should pick some object that's supposed to be pure white. Now to grade your image and get this filmic look as quickly as possible, you can just go to primaries bars, bring down the blue channel in the highlights and push the blue channel up in the shadows. Then create another node, go to curves, luma versus saturation, and as many colorists recommend, you should desaturate your extreme shadows by bringing this point down and then creating another point in the middle and bringing it up again.